in Osama City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Just a short announcement. For those who would like to participate in the tag team match, please prepare because you will be the next after this team demonstration. Once again, for those who would like to join the tag team match, please prepare. Thank you. For those who would like to join the tag team, please proceed to court 2. Once again, for those who would like to join the tag team, please proceed to court 2. Once again, that's
May 2026 at the Ascenso Ozamis Gymnasium, Ozamis City, Ozamis Occidental, presented to Honorable Sam Norman Fuentes, which will be represented by our city councilors.
Dili nakakatak dugong pagka-Pinoy. I'm proud Miss ang Miss noon ko.
Let's give them a warm round of applause, please.
Yung malinaw, alam mo nung mali pa yun. Makita
Another certificate of appreciation given for his valuable support of the 2026 Ascenso Pinoy Taekwondo Championship, Governor Henry S. Waminal and GTTF PH Mindanao Invitational Game. The same certificate of plaque of appreciation is given to Governor Henry S. Waminal, which will be represented by Honorable Angeli Luod. Let's give them a round of applause.
pagka-Pinoy. I'm proud Miss ang Miss noon ko. Miss ang Miss nung magpuy.
Thank you so much, Ma'am and Sir, for your presence today.
For match 3 for the tag team, the men's division, Taku in red armor versus Toya all blue armor. Please proceed in inspection area right now. For the third match, will be played by Taku in red armor versus Toya all blue armor. Please proceed in inspection area right now.
Hello, good morning. Yes, is new question?
Di ba, usa niya itong kalihukan karon dali sa CPG?
2026 Ascenso Pinoy, Governor Henry Waminal, GTTF-PH Invitational Games. Mindanao Invitational Games.
Again, no players on the courts right now because we will start the program.
The event
Roqueta,
is
please go back to your
sponsored solely
designated
by
area.
Governor Henry Waminal.
Pila ka mga participants?
Pero wala pa kayo final, kaya daghan pa kayo paakas. So,
Most
we
likely
have
pila.
mga 200 siguro. Almost. Pero wala na kaabot na.
Mga kan GTTF
Global Traditional Taekwondo Federation.
Okay.
Yes.
Most
One
mga
siya,
unsang
global affiliation ta.
mga lugar ra yun ang mga field diri ma'am.
Karon we have Osamis, Tanggu, Bulave, Pagadian, CDO, NCR, Corot, Palawan.
Palawan.
Naitay, Roqueta, Clarintel, I think, ha?
Pila most likely atong premium if naa.
Ang sponsor ni Gov, ang overall champion is 50,000 pesos. Then, natay team demo, makita ninyo karon kanang ma-showcase nila ang mga skills sa mga taekwondo players. First prize is 50K, second prize is 30, and third prize is 20,000. We also have tag team 4v4 for black belts only. Kuha siya, more siya rumble. Rumble type of scoring. Kuha na siya kanang ibaling siya sa amo ang global founder and president. Okay, we have global championships in June sa Okada, Manila. In preparation for that, unang nagkuwenta. I-prepare ang athletes because the athletes who are participating here now will also compete in Manila from June. Pero global championship siya, around 190 countries participate.
Message sa grabe suporta sa itong Ascenso administration.
I would like to thank Ascenso Pinay, especially kang Governor Henry S. Waminal sa Gov. So, thank you guys yung support. Okay, happy kayo ang mga athletes for your kanang all-out support, especially for the prizes. Okay. Kabalo sila, actually, kabalo dyan sila nga. Generous kaya nga itong Governor Derique. Wala na sa Uban Province, wala na sa Bisok. Wala, grabe.
Ay, sa atin sa Pinoy, ma'am.
Ha?
Asin sa Pinoy.
Yes, of course. Dahil na dyan pag si Gov ang support.
Si Kong Indy.
And si Gong Indy, yes. Si Gong Indy. Si Gong Indy nag-support sa ato 2 years ago. Sa akin, pero ang prices karon ang Gov ang sponsor. 2 years ago, si Gong Indy po ang sponsor. 2 years ago. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. We'd also like to thank the LGO Osamis led by Attorney Sam Norman Fuentes for the venue, free, and also sa support sa media and medic, and kaning sound system, and PNP and the traffic outside. Thank you very much. About the hair again, sa support mo guys. I feel so overwhelmed. Thank you very much. That's all. Thank you. See you to the next time.
Present with here today. All right. Also, we have the Clarine Patrollers. Oh, next we also have the Shadow Kickers from Tango. All right. Next we have the Molave Eagles from Molave. Taekwondo from Cagayan de Oro. But alright, grabe kayo, kamainito na ninyo ang pagdawa. Of Taekwondo, victory is not only measured by strength or speed, but by discipline, respect, perseverance, and honor. Every kick, every stance, and every matches reflects your years of hard work, sacrifice, and unbreakable spirit. Now today, we celebrate not just an athlete, but individuals who embody the true essence of sportsmanship and excellence. So this is where the heart of the Ascenso Pinoy Party List comes alive. Because this party list, they invest in youth, strengthen the family, and discipline individuals in shaping stronger nation. Ascenso Kabataang Pilipino, Ascenso Bawat Pamilya, and Ascenso Bawat Pilipino. I welcome you all to the Ascenso Pinoy Taekwondo Championship, where champions rise and Filipino spirit shines. So, of course, no dili kini mabungaon o mapuslanon kung wala po usab ang mga tao nga nagapaluyo ni ini nga event, no? The Sense of Pinoy Championship. So once again, I would like to acknowledge the very presence of our ever supportive counselors in the city of Azamis. We have Honorable Attorney Daniel Lau. Also, we have Honorable John Fel Duhay Lungsud, Honorable Cecil Go, Honorable Lorly Cypress, and also we have Honorable Salvador Canlas. All right, so excited na ba ang tanan to start this event? Wa mo ka pa mahawon, no? Again, are you all excited for this event? Kana. Sama sa kakusog sa inyong sipaon niya, dapat ginanap po ninyo ang energy sa pag-participate sa atong program. Okay, so di na po nato langay-langayon to formally welcome us all. May we call on a dedicated public servant, a strong advocate of youth and sports development, a dynamic leader, and a father of the city of Azamis. We have Honorable Sam Norman Putes, which would be represented by Honorable Janfel Duhay Lungsud to give his message.
May buntag sa tanan. Good morning. Luyaman. Hep hep. Okay. By the way, ato i-acknowledge ang pag-abot ni Board Member Angeli Lood. Board, good morning. The representative of Governor Henry Waminal. Kanatong tanan, mayong buntag. Again, akong pagtahod sa ako mga kauban sa konseho, mga sa miyembro sa ganiyang panlungsod, nag-mention na kaganina. And of course, sa inyong ni Ma'am Jennifer Baltasar. Aha to si Ma'am Jennifer. Oy, Ma'am, dapat dali ko ta ka, Ma'am. No, good morning. Kaninyong tanan, once again. We're very sorry kay bisan tuod og our City Mayor, Mayor Sam Norman Go Fuentes. Gusto na kayo nga mo anhig yun, especially ani nga kind of event kay ganahan man yun si Mayor Sam ani, and of course Governor Henry Waminal. But tungod sa baga co-equal nga mga important nga mga gipanghimo po ato ang mayor and of course our governor, that's why pasayloa ko nga ako'y mo deliver. So sa ipaabot nga mensahe ni Mayor Sam karon sa inyohang gipahigayon nga Asenso Pinoy Taekwondo Championships game, no? Una sa tanan, gusto lang ipaabot sa sa buang mayor ng siyudad sa Osamis kasi Mayor Sam Norman Go Fuentes, kundi ang iyahang dakong kalipay o pagpasalamat sa Osamis Red Dragons nga maogi usa sa mga nangulong nga nangusog kundiin para again and again maka-host na po ang syudad sa Osamis sa susama ni ini nga baga kalihukan. Kaya kung inyo ang nasairan, kung nakabalo mo, kung nakahinumdom pa mo, way back 2019 sa time ni Mayor Ando Waminal, ato ang congressman na karon, si Congressman Ando Waminal, naka-host po si Kong Ando through sa Osamis Red Dragons gyapon nga ani gyapon ang kalihukan. And sa time ni Kong Andy Waminal, ang mayor gyapon syudad sa Osamis, nga ang representante sa Senso Pinoy karon naka-host gyapon through pinagi gyapon sa Osamis Red Dragons, naka-host gyapon aning event. And karon sa time ni Mayor Sam Norman Go Fuentes, tungod kay gusto sa Asenso Osamis administration nga ang tanang matang sa sports, tanang klase nga sa sports sa Kidilingban masuportahan gyud, dili lang ingon nga kining sa sports, sa basketball, sa volleyball, sa chess, kundi apil na ani di ay kay ngano man nakita sa tuang LGU, nakita sa tuang mayor, and of course sa tuang gobernador for sure. Kadaghan man itang mga potential nga mga players, especially diri sa Osamis, tanawa no? And sa tibuok probinsya sa Misamis Occidental, ang Clarin na ang tanggob kaganina, and swerte ang tanggob kay naaman diri ang inyong DILG officer sa Tanggob City. Nakita lang ko kaganina si Sir Ahanto o Sir Harold. Yung instructor dahil si Sir Harold. So as a whole to iyang na. So katulang, and gustong ipaabot ni Mayor Sam no, looking forward sa ingon ani nga mga event nga unta magpadayon kung mahimo every year na maka-host ang syudad sa Osamis. Manay gustong ipaabot ni Mayor Sam turo sa Osamis Red Dragons. Tas Ma'am Ria, sige lang tandos Ma'am Ria. And kana lang panikamutan nato nga makahiusa ta para masuportahan nato ni kidaghan man ditag mga potential players nga into ani nga sports nga usa sa makapa lift up nato nga ani nga mga sports pinagi sa to ang mga players diri syudad sa Osamis Red Dragons. O kaninyong tanan, welcome especially katong gikan sa outside province Misamis Occidental. Welcome sa syudad sa Osamis, probinsya sa Misamis Occidental, and rest assured nga ang LGU Osamis na kanunay andam mo taganan mo suporta, especially sa mga resources nga inyong kinahanglan. Kasi among nahibawan ang prizes na yan is sponsored by Governor Henry Waminal, which is represented by Board Member Angeli Luod, na may muhatag sa message on niya dapit in behalf ni Governor Henry Sibilia Waminal. Kaya lang, short message, welcome sa Osamis City. Enjoy sa while nag-stay mo karon sa syudad sa Osamis City, and panigurohon syudad sa Osamis ang inyong safety nga naamo syudad sa Osamis na ang ato ang mga enforcers, atong medics na gi-provide sa syudad sa Osamis para bibo hapsay ang atong paghimo aning event karon diri sa amuang syudad sa Osamis. So kaninyong tanan, mayong buntag, and just enjoy sa dula kay ma-enjoy pamigtan lao karon. Daghang salamat ug may buntag kanatong tanan.
All right, thank you so much, Honorable John Feldo Hailungson, for that very warm welcome. Okay, thank you kayo no sa inyong support na gihatag ani nga event. And also, I would like to acknowledge the presence of the GTTF chairman who is here with us today. We have Chairman Jennifer Baltazar. Thank you so much, Ma'am, and welcome to Misamis Occidental. And of course, I would like to acknowledge the very persons, the backbone of this event. We have the Samis Red Dragon. Pakpaki po yung mga kaugalingon. So, this event would not be possible because dili pa tungod sa inyong effort. Now, Taekwondo teaches us the true strength lies not just in the physical ability. Tinuod dili. As a Taekwondo Jin, dili lang na based sa inyong ability but also in character. Now, for our inspirational address, we are honored to hear from a leader who continues to inspire progress, uplift the communities, a leader with a vision, a heart, and the father of the province of Misamis Occidental, Honorable Henry Sibilia Waminal, which is represented by Honorable Angeli Lord.
Mayong buntag sa atong tanan, no? Kay wala pa man nakauli ang atuang hardworking nga governor. So gibilin niya sa ako ang iyang mensahe para sa inyong tanan, no? Let me read his message para sa inyo ha. So, in short, magbasa lang ko kay message ni governor. Maayong buntag kanatong tanan. Mayor Attorney Sam Fuentes and his city officials, ma'am, mga konsihal, maayong buntag to our athletes, coaches, technical officials, honored guests, and all sports enthusiasts gathered here today. I extend my warmest greetings and heartfelt welcome to the Ascenso Pinoy Taekwondo Championships 2026. Today is just more than a competition. It is celebration of discipline, excellence, and the unbreakable spirit of the Filipino athlete. In Taekwondo, we do not only witness strength and skill, but more importantly, we see values that define our true champions: respect, perseverance, integrity, and self-control. Mga bata, naminaw ba mo sa message ni Governor? Paminaw ni kay para ni sa inyo ha, no? Paminaw mo ani. These are the same values that we uphold in our vision of Ascenso Misamis Occidental. Because for us, true progress is not only measured by infrastructure or economic growth, by the character and discipline of our people, especially our youth, mga kabatanunan. In previous years, we were confronted with serious challenges in peace and order. Illegal drugs and insurgency that slowed down the growth of our province. But today, I am proud to say that through unity, strong leadership, and cooperation of every Misamisnon, we have transformed those challenges into opportunities and growth development. And now, we are here today hosting events like this, showcasing talent, building champions, inspiring the next generation. To our dear athletes, you are the pride of our families. You are the pride of our communities and our province. Every kick, every form, every match you perform reflects your hard work and dedication. Win or lose, remember that stepping into this stage already makes you a champion. Padayon lang, ayaw kahadlok mga kabatanunan. Fight with your honor and compete with heart. To our coaches and mentors, thank you for shaping not just athletes, but disciplined and responsible individuals. Your guidance is the foundation of every success we witness today. To our organizers and partners, daghang salamat for making this event possible. Your commitment to sports development helps us build a stronger and healthier Misamis Occidental. As we continue to promote our sports under our Ascenso programs, we remain committed to nurturing world-class athletes who can compete not only at the regional and national level, but even on the global stage. Because we believe that the Misamisnon has the talent to discipline and the heart of a true champion. Let this championship serve as a reminder that through unity, determination, and faith, we can achieve greater heights. Together, let us continue to build a community where every individual can live malinawon, malambuon, o malipayon. Once again, welcome to Misamis Occidental. And may this event be filled with excitement, sportsmanship, and inspiration. Daghang salamat kaninyong tanan. Maayong buntag.
Thank you once again. Let's give her a round of applause, Honorable Angeline Lod, for that very powerful and inspiring message. So indeed, no, as again, ako na pong ibalik sa inyo ha, Taekwondo Gene's character is not built by its skills alone, no? But sa giingon pa, sa message ni Gov, it is by discipline, no? Ang disiplina. Unsa gani ang tenet sa Taekwondo? Daube. Tenet sa Taekwondo. Hala, karon mo. Pangsumbong mo na ko sa inyong mga instructor. It's fine, di ba? Self-confidence, perseverance, indomitable spirit, modesty, and tikatoy. I still remember that, no? Maskin pagtaod-taod na ko nga wala ning practice or ning dula sa Taekwondo, but I still remember it by heart, ang tenet sa Taekwondo. And I hope that that tenet will eminence in those that would eminent in all the kanang mga tanang mga athletes nga naa nato diri karon. So
So now, to officially open this meaningful and exciting event, of course, ang atong amahan diri sa Taekwondo, also a visionary leader whom I really respected and everyone respected in the province of Misamis Occidental. May we call on our instructor, Mr. Harold Boscaino.
Galing. Salamat. Abi ko pag wala na ko ani nga program. Surprise na ko siya ngayong buntag. So, opening raman ang akong remarks. Ikulbaan ko kay lahi ning opening. Anyway, may buntag ka na itong tanan. Awa, may busy man kayo. May buntag. So, salamat sa mga nagkadaiyang area nga na din Pagadian, Mulabi, the three cities and component municipalities nga na din by the way, doon na tayo Plaridel nag-join sa Orkita nga chapter. So, akong pagtawad sa na din sa Lamisa, mga honorable city councilor sa province, sa konsyal, mayong may buntag ni Sir SK, nanapostang ko bro, establish na puntaglain dito. Anyway, my opening message, simple ra. We are in the GTTF, Global Traditional Taekwondo Federation. The GTTF, everybody's welcome. Wala affiliation with their PTA, PTU, PTI, PTA. Everybody's welcome. Ang ako lang, ibuhi na to ang traditional nga taekwondo unlike sa traditional nga taekwondo nga amo nasudan late back 1988 in Cagayan de Oro. By the way, my motherland in the taekwondo, Cagayan de Oro. Welcome, Sir and Ma'am. Welcome. So, ang ako lang, we promote what is GTTF. We in the GTTF, with Madam Chair, Ma'am Jennifer, welcome to the Osamis. This is for the second time around here on also, second time. So, to welcome us, ang ako lang sa mga spectator, sa mga player, do not take the winning. Sa ginaingon ako kaniadto, the most important thing in this event is not to win, but to take part. Kasi nakanundrom ana nga mga panultihon. Maybe si Kuya Igardo, si Master Dana. The essential thing in life is nothing having conquered, but have fought well. Ang pagdula, dili lang ingon nga, dula-dula lang, kundi yung sa nato pagdula sa traditional nga pagi. Pero kung doon na tayo mapildi, atong dawaton kay naman na sa atong sportsmanship. Ang GTTF teammates, we have courtesy. Please be reminded sa mga taekwondo practitioner, we have courtesy. Of course, ang atong courtesy to Siu Bao. Perseverance, patience, taliwala sa kakapoy sa training, kilala ma-achieve ang atong target. And of course, the most important is the social services. The GTTF, we have social services. That's the reason we tie up the CSO, NGO, salamat, Sukamod, no? Sukamod, thank you for being partner with us with the GTTF. And of course, we have justice. Justice meaning in the sense nga, tagana to justisya mga chapters, nga diin napihig sa uban. And of course, we have courage. Bahala yellow belt versus blue belt. Bahala black belt versus white belt. Kaya dili pag mag-matter ang atong isipa, dili man ang belt, kundi ang atong isipa ang tiil man. Tiil o kamot. Pero doon na may mga coaches, kaso kung doon ay dili maayo ang pag-bear, ireklamo lang sa lamisa. By the way, sa mga parents, spectators nga nakaroon din, hey, please be reminded, kung doon ay reklamo, ayaw mo doon sa tunga. ato lang mo sa iyong respective nga mga coaches. So kada lang ako mga pagimano, then pasalamat ako sa Asenso Pinoy Party List o sa province, sa Asenso Pinoy ni Governor Indres Emilia Waminal o sa city government of Osami City ni Mayor Sam Fuentes. So kada lang, good luck guys, good luck labi na sa mga pa-premium prices. Kung doon ay way palad, keep it up, never surrender. Mamana atos taekwondo, perseverance and never surrender. Gani nagmahay ang pagkadian. Sir Iman, Master Iman, nagmahay kay wala sila demotem. Maybe sunod na nag-demotem. We welcome you, Master Iman Barrel. Kana lang, thank you, God bless, and maimbuntag ka na to tanan. Good luck.
Thank you so much, Sir Harold Buscaino. So again, TKDGs, athletes who are here present today, atong ibutang sa tunguna-una, it is not a matter of winning, but it matters on how you fight. So now, to formally start our oath-taking, let's have our oath of sportsmanship to be led with us with Sir Angelo Danauto. All athletes, please stand. Everybody cheer!
May all athletes please raise their right hands and repeat after me. I state your name, Angelo B. Danauto, a Taekwondo practitioner, do hereby pledge to uphold the Taekwondo competition rules. I shall foster the spirit of sportsmanship and fair play in accordance with the tenets of Taekwondo and the competition codes of conduct. In doing so, I hope to give honor to God, to my parents, to my instructor, and teammates, and to the chapter I represent. So help me God.
Next, let's have the oath taking for the national referee's oath. May I request all the referees and the officiating officials to be here in front for the oath taking, which will be facilitated by Master Rabbi Buscaino. Officiating officials, referees, please be here in front. Alright, while waiting, I would like to thank the following sponsors of this event. We have the Global Traditional Taekwondo Federation, Provincial Government of Misamis Occidental, Asenso Pinoy Party List, the local government unit of Misamis City, Sukamod, the Oroqueta Red Dragons, and Gloria Bazaar. Thank you so much for your generosity.
All officiating officials, please raise your right hand. National Referee Oath. I state your name. My name is Rabbi Buscaino, a National Referee of the Global Traditional Taekwondo Federation. Do I hereby pledge to uphold the rules of the Taekwondo competition, to protect the rights of the competitors, and to look after their safety. I shall foster the spirit of sportsmanship and fair play in accordance with the tenets of Taekwondo and the competition codes and conduct. So help me God. Preach it.
Okay, everybody, athletes, please stand up. Chun. Churen. Now you may go back to your seats to prepare for the following tournament proper. So first we'll have the demo team, and I will ako na lang iingundaan kung unsay flow ha sa or order sa ato ang demonstration. So first we have Oroqueta City, Tangub City. Next would be Ozami City, third presenter, and fourth would be Larid. So we'll give you enough time to prepare for the demonstration. 5 minutes will be enough. So, andam na mga presenters.
Thank you.